to 4mm. It's Loctited in there. Damn, I gotta give it the beans. Alright, this will do GP shifts. So now, when you think about it, if you pull up on this, right, it's pushing down here. But if you pull up on this here, it'll push down on the other side. So there's no need to change anything on the bike. You're doing it mechanically, is you're reversing your shift. So there's nothing else to do but remove this nut. Our bolt. There's no nut. And what we're gonna do is slide this over here. But first, this needs tapped. So this bolt is an M61. You can use a gauge on it if you need to. I'm gonna simply try to thread this into the factory hole. Screws right in, so I know my tap is correct. Easy enough, right? View this is to start it off straight. Tight, started it in my hand. Remember, you're going into aluminum, don't go crazy. Loctite will do the rest for you. And reapply the boot. Boot gets a little stuck around that edge, but no big deal. There you go. Here's some shit.